Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, we got some Asics. This is different. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. Let's get at it. All right, so yeah, we got some Asics in the house today, man. And I must say, this is my first pair of Asics in about 4 years, maybe 5, not sure. But with this whole culture shift and the sneaker dynamics, Jordans are too heavy. All those other shoes are just too heavy and they are uncomfortable most of the time. So we decided to venture out and go for shoes where comfort is of the utmost importance. Number one, the lightweight and the comfort and the style. So all three of those things put together, we venturing out. We got New Balances. We got some Asics in. So yeah, I did try to get what was the Asics? Was it Earl's Collection? Could not get my hands on them, bruh. Dropped at midnight and instant fail. Could not get them. They restocked somewhere else. I still didn't get them in my size. So, I mean, yeah, that's where we at right now. So, with that being said, man, we got the Asics Gel 1130s in today. And I've had these on foot for about 2 hours or so. Granted, I work from home, but that's fine. These are comfortable. These are absolute comfortable and they are quite stylish. Take a look at them joints, man. Yep. You got the ultimate dad shoe vibes. And we all know that's what's in right now. And for the price I paid for these in this colorway, you couldn't beat it. Now the shoe's regular 95 bucks, but with the 25% off military discount that Asics has, and it's freaking great because Asics don't discriminate. Very rarely do they put a limitation on the military discount. You can get what you get and get out of there with that 25% off. Now, there is another pair of Asics that I really want to get, and those are the Kainos. I need to get a pair of those because I hear those are pretty dope also. So, we're not going to make this a long video, bruh. We not. But what I challenge you all to do as sneakerheads, if you don't own a pair of Asics or a pair of New Balances, which I'm probably sure most of you do, but if you haven't opened up your aperture to realize that Asics and New Balance is kind of running the game in 2024. It was late, well, mid 23 up until like now, and they haven't slowed down. Everybody's getting on this train to where the dad shoe thing is back. And Asics and New Balance has been at the forefront of that for ages. Now Nike has jumped into that play too with the Vomero 5s. I ain't got a pair of those. I tried a pair of those on, but I didn't really like them. Skip the hype. I'm good on that. I didn't really like the way they felt. I like the New Balance 1906s. And I like these right here, the 1130s. So yeah, I'm good. So I have these and they have been amazing. This is going to be my new, I might have to get a couple more pair of these, just to be honest with you. I need some colorways that's gonna like pop, like really, really pop, right? So, but these are gonna be my Disney shoes. So me and the wife go to Disney once a month, and sometimes I wear Jordans, and boy, by hour 3, 4 is a wrap, yo. I'm ready to throw them joints in the trash. So the last few times I wore some New Balances, and my time was spent, it was great. Like, I think I made a video on that. I probably ain't published it yet, but I made a video on, actually it was SeaWorld. Me and the wife and kids went to SeaWorld did a video on the day-to-day from getting up, going to SeaWorld, walking throughout SeaWorld all day, and yeah, the New Balance is held up. But I'm interested to see the next time me and the wife go to Disney this month, whether this shoe is gonna hold up, whether it's gonna be terrible for these old, bad feet, surgically repaired, all that good stuff in this shoe. Now, I do know the Cayennos are a lot more comfier than these, but some people do prefer these over the Cayennos. So we'll see. We're gonna put them to the test. But let me know, man, what y'all think of this sneaker, man. Is this something that y'all will rock with? Or is this something y'all like, nah, bro, I'm good. I'm gonna stick to my Nikes and call it a day. I'm just let you know, bro, these Asics are the truth. Open your aperture just a little bit more, man. There's more things out there than Jordan Brand, Nike, and all that other stuff. These right here, A1 stamp of approval from your boy Money Matt. With that being said, folks, I'm gonna get on out of here, man. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be the first to get the content when we drop it here on the set, where we get our ass into a whole lot of other shit. I'm your boy Money Matt, man. Let me go get out of here and do something important with myself. Let me go put these shoes back on. Peace.